All right, guys, here we go. Tuesday the 24th. Looking at the 2 minute chart of advanced micro devices. Everything, well, not everything, a lot of red over here this morning. Let me take you to the SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500. And we closed way up here yesterday, this green candle. And now we're, trading at the very bottom of it and actually kind of turning red here. Now for sure we'll have a total sell off today, but the market, as you can see, even on the 2 minute chart, we're taking out. Now we'll do a. Let me change gears right here. If we take out the previous green candle, because technically this is nothing. This is, if you can envision a big red candle down here, as we closed up here yesterday afternoon, and then we started, drop down, start here, and we're trying to see which way we're gonna get the momentum going. They won't take 1,000 shares on margin. If we take out the bottom of this wick, we're in 1,000 shares on margin. We're short. In other words, we sold up here. We'll buy back at the bottom here. Okay, let me look left, see where the next pivot zone is. Okay, 92. We'll go to 92 even. They love those whole round even numbers right here. See if we can't get another surge to the downside. What we did, this was all red, a little push to the upside. The 200, that would have been a great place to take a short position if they had taken it there. Let's see. If we get another surge. I might see. Come on, to 14 cents. Come on. I'll take it at 92 even. Okay, we're out. And okay, that's thanks, and we'll call it a day there. But anyway, how we set it up is that potential momentum was going to be to the downside unless I can get the institutions by the dippers come in there hard and heavy. And we were under that 200, so I'd like to have really taken it up here, been a bigger, you know, push to the downside, because normally from an extended price point, either above or below the 200, that's it'll be resistance coming up or support coming down into it. And it looks like we're gonna have continuation here. And I'm trying to see. Let's go to the 4 minute. Maybe we can see a little bit better price action here. See, there's the 200 on the 4 minute. I missed that. Bad on me. Because that's what I'll say. It's provide if you're under it, it provides not all the time, but high probability of resistance. Even though here it didn't. Well, the first few times it did. But, after you came from the very bottom in here, finally got over it, and so on and so forth. But looks like support. We look at these low pit. Probably down here, we could probably go, another few points here. 91. What's that? 91.16, 91.20. It's a big red candle right now. Got another minute to go, and there might be a little oversold bounce here. Should have stayed in it, but you got to take it, where you can get it, so to speak. And try to figure out something here. Trying to see where you could maybe put a fib line, but I don't know if it'd be more accurate with this low pivot, this one or this one right now. Well, as a rule of thumb, you just go to the first lowest and then up. And here we are on 0.5. So we'll see if we bounce there. I mean, the trade's already done. We're already out. But we're just doing this kind of a chart school learning experience. Here we go. We're going through the 0.5. We got another 10 seconds. Let's see if we get back over it. We close under it. I mean, just barely under it, so it's hard to say that, that's going to be more negative than or more bearish. See, look, we're getting a little bounce off that 0.5. Of course, that could be just a pause candle, but it is pushing up here. Let's go to 2 minute. Each candle is 2 minutes price action. And it might just be in, kind of an oversold little pause candle bounce here. Then we roll back over. So if I were playing, which I'm not, we took out this. I'll make it red so people don't get confused. We roll back over and take out that red line. I would be back in. And let me take off that fib line, clean this thing up. Got another tactic here. Or if the price can't come up and close over the 0.5 here, if we fail to get over that, then we'll roll over to the downside. You can pick another short there. In other words, it would look like, we might get another green candle in here, then it rolls over. If it can't get over the 0.5, it'll trade like that. And it's the same with, a daily candle, weekly candle, hourly candle, whatever. When I say candle, I'm sorry, I meant timeline. I was just watching this one here. Now we're over the 0.5 over where we got in. Got about 30 seconds here. And I was going to put it on pause, but we only have about 20-something seconds here. Then we popped up right about to that 0.5. That's how important it is. Get that right. And that's just that one candle. See right here? We couldn't close above the 0.5 fib. And just, I said that challenge was on. And then the candle goes, we're going to get up there. Now, if we come back, take that. If we take it out, this box, I raise it up a little bit, take out that green candle bottom, we go short again. This is a big red candle here. You got a picture, okay? And a lot of times, as it's going back up, you can start adding on your short positions. There we go. Now we're under it. Still got a minute 20 to go. So a little bit more downside. We need to call that. We'll see if we get that now. What we call that 2 up. 2 green candles closing up into the previous red candle. Then it rolls over, but the higher this goes and closes it, higher the odds that won't happen. But that's why we always wait until the candle closes to make those assumptions, because that's all it is until it confirms. And then when we start getting, let's say, 15, 20. Now, if it closes like this, 100% of the time, you can, it's already made a different candle body. I mean, it can change that quick. Now, last few seconds here, I'd say, I don't know, 10, 15 seconds. If it runs down here and goes through, that's when I'd take that short. But right now, if it closes where it is now, then I don't like that wide candle body, but like right now, that small candle body, then it's a 50-50 one way or the other, and it will take out the top or the bottom here on the next candle. And this video is getting a little long, so I'm going to, after this candle, we'll close it out. Okay, it goes over the top of that. How I would set it up, we take out the bottom wick short, top wick, go long, green candle through the top. If it goes a red candle through the bottom, then that's when I would go either, short or long. Let the market, make that opinion. Pulling this in so you can see it if it goes through there. Okay, we're in. Well, That's the way I would play it, just because of the shape of the candle there. We got another minute to go, or a little less than a minute. We'll see. All right, now 40-some seconds. Okay, pull back up. Okay, here we go, about 30 seconds. And the shorts might be a little bit more in control than the bulls right now, just for the simple reason these wicks were sold off. So we'll see how it closes. It closes on that red dash line. It gives a little bit more credibility to the bulls. Got about 5 seconds. 3. All right, guys, we're going to call it. And have a great day. And we will see you on the charts.